Welcome to my well space. How you all doing? How's everyone doing today? If this is your first time of joining us, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, and I would like you to share your own comment, and for us, as a family, to kind of exchange information and empower each other. Now, this is a family that we build generational wealth. We are not selfish in what we do. We think about our oncoming generation, and also so for us. So we share advice, and we share content that will help us to achieve that goal of building generational wealth. So we have these three sectors that we believe with time it will help us to achieve this goal of building generational wealth. We have the electric vehicle, we have the crypto currency sector, and we have the cannabis. But as we try to balance our portfolio, we bring other companies that from time to time to help us to balance our portfolio, because as we understand that those three sectors are just new industry. It's going to take them a little bit of time. It's going to take them a little bit of efforts in order to give us what we want. So while we are continue to DCA into those sectors, we also continue to balance and make money from other companies which might not be from that sector. Either we use it to balance our portfolio, or we want to swing trade. So I'm bringing Draftkings to us today. Draftkings. Yeah, Draftkings is online entertainment gambling betting company. They allow betting on their platform, and so when we want to play chess or want to double our money in a betting game, we use Draftkings also. Now also they have other competitive, but today we are just focusing on Draftkings. Now, why am I focusing on Draftkings? I'm focusing on Draftkings because for one thing, they seems to be doing reasonably well. I mean, in the last 4 earnings, they have been positive. They've been growing. They've been making money, and they are very stable, despite the fact that the whole stock market is facing challenges of inflation and interest rate hike and all that stuff. The Draftkings, they are weathering it very well. They are stable. They are bringing in income, and their balance sheet seems to be growing from quarter to quarter. So they are doing really well. So I'm bringing it to us for us to do our research on it, for one thing, and also for us to be able to use it to kind of balance our portfolio, and also we can, if we know how to do it or what we are doing, we can use it to also to swing trade. But it doesn't move that much. It's kind of a little bit kind of stable, a little bit kind of stable. Then, so the reason why I'm bringing it, to us is for us to start DCA in it if we are interested in it. Why do I say that? Because right now, as stable as it is, it's still not at the highest as the high of the last high. It's still not there yet. It's still on its way up there. So if we interested in, when we see it, do our research, and we see how stable or how great this company is, then we can kind of jump in now and start DCAing into it for us to have this upward swing, at least to the old high. So this is why I'm bringing Draftkings to us. Now let me show us why more reason. Now, if you look at it as at now, Draftkings is 41.82. So it went up a little bit, 0.63, and even after hours, it still kind of went up a little bit also. So this is what it does today. It went up a little bit. So what I want us to kind of really focus on is to focus. Let me see if I can bring this a little bit higher, bigger. Okay, so what I want us to kind of really focus on it the more is the stability. How stable Draftkings has been. It's been kind of stable. So I want us to focus. Look at this. This is 1 day, right? If you look at 1 day, let's say like 1 day, this is what it went up by 0.6. Well, 5 days, it went up by 5.15% in 5 days. Let's check 1 month. Okay, now 1 month it went down by 6.94%. Now let's look at 6 months. 6 months it went up 53%, 53.58% in 6 months. Year to date, it went up 24.54%. A year ago, it went up 85.04%. A year ago. So now let's look at the 5 years. It went up in 5 years. It has gone up 326.73%. And if you look at the max, the max, it has gone up 326.3%. 0.73%. Okay, so you can see that once we start from 1 day to 5 days is green, green, green. 1 month is the only one that is red, and 6 months is green. Year to date is green. A year ago is green. 5 years ago is green. Max is green. Only a month ago that is red. Now you see how it seems stable that as today. So this is why I'm bringing it to us for us to kind of look at it and understand that this company has been producing green. They've been producing sense of stability, and it's not very volatile. If it goes down, maybe 0.7, 0.5, or if it goes up, it's gradual. So it's upward, it's swinging up and down. It's very, very minimum. It's not wide ride. It's not a wide ride stock. So it is stable. And also in the last 4 quarters, it's been great. Let me show us one of these again. So if we look at Draftkings, this is, like I said earlier, this is from another platform. This is Draftkings, and after hours it went up. But I want us to look at what. If you look at this, if you look at how green, overweight, strong, neutral, hold, buy, they're all green. And if you look at the bullish, it's 88% bullish, 88% bullish. And if you continue to look at the earning move analysis, we can see how, in the first quarter, of 2023, it went up by 15%. The second quarter, it was 5.8%. In the third quarter, it went up by 16.46%. And in the fourth quarter, it went up by 0.23, 23%. So if we look at it, it's been stable. So in the last 4 quarters, they have been making profit. And if you look at the maximum, the all-time high of Draftkings, was $71, 71 something. So right now it's still at 41. So if we, interested in it and we see it as opportunity for us, we can go in there right now and invest in, and we can still enjoy the upward trend of almost 31% or $30. Upward trend. And this is why I'm bringing it today. I'm bringing it to us to look at it in order for us to, go or rise up with it, because it's more stable now. And since it's stable, they are making profit in the last 4 quarters. That kind of tell me that this company seems to be on the right path, and they are doing something that seems to be right. That's why I'm bringing it to us for us to look at that. Draftkings create opportunity, which we admire, which we've been looking for, and this is what exactly what Draftkings is experiencing. So that is why I bring it to us for us as the family to look into it and to do something about it. Now, if this is your first time again, like I've said earlier, I would like you to support this channel, and I would like you to share your own thoughts, and so that we can all build this generational wealth together. Thank you for joining in, and have a wonderful day. Until I see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.